Sai Ram. Today is a very special day. Got opportunity to introduce pyramid meditation, Anapanasati meditation at Sai Baba Temple, Sai Mandir, Livonia, and we have our priest Vijay Sarade Swami, and taking opportunity get so many benefits with meditation. And thank you so much to the board for giving this opportunity, and this is at organization level, at leadership level, making everyone do meditation, teach meditation, practice meditation to see many benefits and transform their life and attain enlightenment and enrichment wisdom. Thank you.